In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I caught these two trades as gold was dumping really hard in the previous 2 days. Now I'm gonna show you how gold dumped over 1.75 trillion and how it made me so much money. As you can see, I caught very great trades right here, and today I'm gonna be breaking them down for you and showing you the exact strategy that I use, plus my confirmations, which nobody even talks about. So stay with me as I break down these two trades for you right now in a live backtest. Let's go. Fast forward to real-time analysis. This is what I was seeing on the 15-minute time frame on gold. So we could clearly see that this level was very rejected by gold in the previous time. Gold rejected this level twice and then broke below this level right around here, as you can see by this support which was broken, and then gold went deeper, but it wasn't able to make any more sales because gold rejected this zone immediately. As you can see here, it rejected a very significant zone. As you can see, gold had broken above it and retested it above here and then aimed for buys. So gold retraced to this level again and had some buys. As you can see, it broke this high around here, then made a higher low, then I entered for buys here as I showed you in the previous video. So then I was looking for more buys until this level, which was very anticipated for sales or buys if we could break above it. So this is what I was seeing in real time. I had seen gold's reaction to this level right around here, as it wasn't able to break above it. So there were huge sellers entering at this position. I had to wait for gold to break above it to take buys or to rebound it to be able to take sales. So this is what I was seeing. Gold rejected this level immediately as it touched it with this bearish candle, and I was starting to see some sort of consolidation to be able to happen if we could not be able to break above this or below this. Now below this level, this was a significant level right around here. Gold had tested this level once here, but not being able to break below it. It broke below it right around here and then above it again in a consolidation way, and then after gold broke below it right around here, we had a retest and then a huge sell-off, as you could see. Then I was anticipating that this level could be broken again to be able to sell. Anything in the middle here was complete noise, so I wasn't ready to take any trades as long as gold did not break one of these two levels around here. So I had to wait for this consolidation to end to be able to take any major buys or major sells. The rest inside here could be small scalps, but I don't scalp, so I had to wait. Now as you can see, gold started consolidating for some hours and we had a tiny fake out around here. It almost broke out, but then rejection back to this level. I had to wait for more time. As you can see, we also had some kind of selling pressure around here, but it also rejected it and went back to the zone. And then right here we had this displacement. We broke the level and closed bearish under this level here, and then we had the displacement. So I saw that this could be a massive opportunity to sell gold. As you can see, we also had some tiny bit of resistance which was broken before, so I suspected some rejections to start from here to make a small correction to this level for me to be able to sell. As you can see, right around here we had made this retest, and now I was waiting for sellers to enter the market and then I could start selling. Now as you can see right here, we got a correction to this zone, and as I noticed some sellers entering, I opened a position at the close of this candle right here, placed my stop loss right around here, risking about 190 pips. And then my first take profit would go to these multiple tops or multiple highs, if you like. These multiple highs here, this was a sign that there was a lot of sellers trying to limit buyers from crossing this level, but buyers crossed around it. So I saw this as a floor where I could be taking some of my profits off and let the rest, I could let the rest ride for some time. I also identified this area right around here, which we had this type of movement. We had some rejections from this level, so I anticipated that this could be my final take profit. I then let the rest ride to this level marking up a whopping 5.76 risk to reward ratio. This was a very big trade, so I had to take profits at key levels to be able to secure much of the bag before any major rejections could happen and losing it all. So fast forward, let me play price for you to see what happened. You could see gold was really dumping so hard right around here. After we got this rejection from this level, we had some massive sellers coming in, and right around here I secured much of my profit, and then I let the rest ride till my full take profit was hit. Around here we had some kind of consolidation, but the sellers were still in position here. Sellers were still in control, and I was seeing more selling pressure arriving right around that level, and boom, my TP was smashed right around here. And then I started seeing something unusual in the gold setup that I had made. It was dumping really hard, so I thought that gold could be able to break below this level. If not, I could be aiming for more buys back to the previous all-time highs around here. But if we could not make those buys, if you couldn't have this rejection from this zone, I would be aiming for more sales. So time will tell. I had to wait to see what happened while gold reached at this level. Then we proceed playing price. As you can see, we had a massive break of this level, so what came to my mind was definitely selling pressure. So I had to wait for a retracement back to this level. If not, I could wait for another level to be broken, then retest it. I had this support around here, which was a long time support. Gold had some different rejections right around here. We saw that gold had some rejection, but then faked out going below this level again, and after time we had gold breaking above it and then retesting it right around here, making many fake outs. And also we had gold coming back again to retest this level right around here with this huge wick, and then gold caught a very big buy around there. So I had to wait for one of these key levels to be broken, then retested, and I could be aiming for more sales. And the rest we could let price do its thing, and we were just traders waiting for confirmation and seeing who is in control. As you can see, gold was really dumping so hard. We lost about 1.75 trillion of market cap in just one single day, which was the hugest drop that I have ever seen. Now this is what happened. After making this huge displacement, I had to wait for a major correction to these levels for another sell-off. One of these levels here or here to make some tiny bit of a correction, then more sellers could come in. And this is what I saw. As price was still consolidating around this place, we had some supports down here which gold was respecting. We had this level around here. As you can see, we had some previous supports. Gold tested this level 3 times, and this is what was limiting gold from breaking below. So we had to see some correction back to this level and be able to see even more sales coming in for gold. So I was somehow satisfied with the profit that I had made before, but I was also looking for more sales. As you can see right around here, we even managed to break below it. So as a trader, all I could do was wait for a proper correction and a confirmation for me to enter any trade. And upon seeing this, we had some huge rejections from another key level under here. We had some key levels right around here. My chart is somehow frozen, but we had some levels around here which price was reacting to, and we had this huge rejection, but I didn't see it as a rejection, as we could not see a higher low and break of resistance to become support. So I was still onto the selling side. I just had to wait for a proper correction and rejection of this level around here. So right around here my alert had clicked in. I was waiting for sellers to come in, then I would be aiming for some more sales. Then right around here, as you can see, we had this rejection from this level. We had some sellers coming in at this level, and then I was supposed to take a sell right around here, and it's definitely what I did. I placed my stop loss at the break of this level around here, the break of this previous candle. That's where I placed my stop loss, and then I targeted huge buys, sells, onto this level. It was a 2.87 risk to reward trade, and this is how it played out. And exactly as I had predicted, we had one more trade for 2.87. We definitely didn't target anymore below this level because I suspected that gold could find some rejection here and then buyers could step in, so I was safe to take my profit off at this level around here. And this is how I caught two amazing trades on this gold sell-off. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, as I will be breaking one more trade that I've been taking today, as gold has been rejecting this level and we almost got a very nice rejection and we broke these highs, turning back to the buy side. So the next video will be dropping Monday. I will be documenting how I caught a great buy after gold turned bullish again. So Bob Melly signing out.